Good morning, everyone. Today is day 34. We're here in Malaga and at our campsite. We just had breakfast, Lisa and I. She's on the phone with her mother. The kids are outside playing with the neighbors.
Hello, everybody.
And we are going to go to some ladder climbing event right now at 12:30. So we're going to get ready. So stay with us. Here we are. We're on our way to the rock climbing here at the campground. Not sure what it is exactly, but let's go and see. Here's the rock climbing. It's here. It goes up about 7 meters probably. Pretty cool. It's not a race. One hand, one leg. One hand, one leg. Keep going up like a ladder. There you go.
Yes. Maybe the orange.
Baby, go this side.
Yes. No.
Baby, help her.
Here. No, please. Okay. Only this. The color.
Don't grab the rope.
You've got this, Leon.
Do not grab the rope. Switch hands with the orange. Yep. Now grab the red one. There you go. Put your feet on the thing. Always have your feet on there. Put your foot on the orange one, Liam. There you go.
Yeah, touch the bell. Yeah.
Now grab the
Do you know the password? Do you know the password?
Hey, what's the password, Liam? What's the password? Chorizo.
Perfect. Okay, now grab the rope and you
Oh, babe.
through the wall. That's
She's
it.
okay.
Remember, soft.
Mia.
Careful.
Okay, stop.
Oh.
Stop. Let go of the rope.
There's Mia. Mia's playing hide and seek.
So here we're walking back now. We did the climbing, went to the park a little bit, and now we're gonna go to the swimming pool. It's very hot today.
Well, after a small little break back at the bus, we are now at the pool, enjoying the poolside here. Zoe's here with us. The kids are over there somewhere. So anything you ever want to say to everyone?
We're gonna go over there. We thought the kids want to play over here, but they don't, so.
All right, well, I'm gonna go be with the kids. Lisa's gonna get Zoe ready for the pool. Love y'all. Everyone, it was a nice day at the pool. I don't know how many videos Lisa got for us, but hopefully you guys understand how nice it was and how nice it was to be here. So now we're going back to our bus. Lisa's gonna make us some dinner and we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of this day. All right, well, stay tuned. See what she's gonna make for dinner. It's a little surprise for you guys. Well, here's our campsite here. Here's our setup for this place. Well, today Lisa made us some spaghetti with beans and corn and onions, and it came out delicious. And now, of course, I did forget to record all of us eating it, but I did catch the last bits of Lisa's plate. So, trust me, it was delicious. Liam even had seconds, and we are now going to take a little break and then walk over to the Little, which is a kilometer, maybe a little bit more than a kilometer away from here, and pick up a few items for us to have for tomorrow. All right, well, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and comment if you haven't yet. You know, life, and I think there's life. Being rich is not about how much money you make, but how happy your life is and how complete it is. And I think if you're happy and you're healthy and you have your family with you and you're able to do the little things in life with them, then consider yourself rich. Because not even rich people have those things that matter the most. And I'd rather have this than have millions. And I hope you guys feel the same. Look how beautiful it is. And of course, the most beautiful view of all is the view of my wife. All right, well, we are going under the highway, and on the other side, we should be at the market. We're not sure, but I think that's what's happening here. Here we are about to enter the Little. Right. Like always, one of the things we like to do at night is have some ice cream. So here are the kids enjoying their ice cream. And now we have a long walk back to our campsite. So let's see you guys soon. Anything to say, babe?
We have a little bit of work to go back, so hopefully the kids will make it.
So beautiful. Today is a celebration, San Juan celebration, and everyone's gonna be doing bonfires, fireworks all along the coastline in this area. So we're not gonna be down here because we have kids and we need to wake up and sleep. So I can only imagine how beautiful it would be though. For those who don't have kids and don't mind staying awake late at night, this would be beautiful to come next year and see all the bonfires and fireworks. You have reached the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. And like always, we love y'all.